Hey there, Dotson guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. I want to show you guys a new boat that just arrived for us. This is a Scout 240 XSF. You'll see she's all black. We've got the Midnight Edition to complement. That beautiful hardtop has the black underside as well. We've got the deep cayenne interior. That's a Sunbrella fabric. Absolutely stunning boat. We upgraded the forward bow rails to the powder coat to match that black as well. If you've seen some of these videos, you'll know these 240 XSFs come standard with Seakeeper Ride. So this boat is equipped with that. The single solid swim platform, and as well as this one, we've got the matching black Mercury 300 Verado. We'll take a look inside and show you the rest of the boat. Alrighty, now we're in the cockpit of the boat. You'll see we've got the back seat popped out here. Comfortable for 2 to 3. Convenient grab rail, rod racks, and as well as cup holders on the back side of the leaning post. We have our standard live well on the port side. This conveniently tucks away on those busier days where we are fishing to open up the cockpit. And just underneath, we have a systems access. So easy, clean access to all of our pumps, filters. Great spot for a stern anchor here in Charleston. On the starboard side, we have our walk-through transom with a breakaway door, again, to access that awesome swim platform. On the back side of the leaning post, we as well have an igloo cooler that's standard, flip armrest, and as well as flip bolsters that are here as well. Up top, we did equip this one with the optional rocket launchers, the standard tea bag storage here, spreader lights both forward and aft, and at the helm we have the glove box with charging ports. We have USBs and USB-C chargers with the non-skid up here, and you'll see our little frog friend there. We've got the 9-inch Garmin in this one, all the switching as well as the digital gauge from Mercury Marine for that V8 300 that we have on the back, digital throttle and shift, and tiltable helm. We have this one with the opted wireless inductive charging. You'll see this has also got the C-deck helm pad. As we come across, this boat does have onboard battery charger already equipped, and we have this one upgraded with the porcelain head with holding tank. As we transition forward, you'll see we've got the bow filler set up in this particular boat. That is easily removed and stored down in the console. And you'll see I'm 6 foot for reference. Nice and convenient, tucked in, easy grab rail. But I feel down now in the boat and not feel like I'm up on top of the boat. There's storage under both port and starboard. As we look forward, we have the JL audio speakers upgraded, and as well as that gunmetal gray to match the dark Midnight Edition. We have rod holder cup holders in the bow and designated anchor storage. Underneath the lounge seat here, you'll see we've got storage, and it came with the trans-yield cover that it ships with. Up on top of the hardtop, it's hard to see, but there is a LED light bar on the top. And then just behind these forward backrests, which are removable, and those can be stored down below on those busier days. You have cup holders and as well as a little glove box that is lit for those cell phones, keys, whatnot. Boat has an onboard holding tank, so there's our freshwater fill here and then our pump out head out on the port side. If you guys have any other questions about this particular boat or want to come see it in person, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name's Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.